Okay, so today I tried making a survival fishing rod using garden poles, clips, tape, and even a bottle cap. I bent the cap into a lure shape, poked holes with an awl, and attached string and a clip. Then I used pliers to cut the clip diagonally to make it work like a hook. Next, I headed to a riverside spot. Now, these areas can be risky sometimes. There might be homeless people or even criminals around. So carrying some kind of weapon is important for safety. Also, when you're gathering plants or cooking fish, a knife becomes super useful. But remember, laws about carrying knives or weapons change depending on where you live. Always check your local laws before doing anything like this. Once there, I started fishing. The line got tangled really fast, so it didn't go far at all. Normal rods use reels to avoid tangles, but with homemade gear, that's something we need to solve in the future. For hours, I just left the line in the water. Sometimes I stuck the rod in the ground and put a stone on it to keep it steady. No need to hold it all day. Actually, holding a rod for hours isn't efficient in survival situations. It might be fun as a hobby, but not very practical if you're trying to survive. Instead, setting multiple fixed rods or traps could save time and maybe even catch more fish while you do other tasks. Unfortunately, I didn't catch anything that day. Timing and location matter a lot when fishing. You'll probably need to visit the same spot many times or ask locals for tips. Same goes for you viewers. Learn what works near your area. Then, I moved on to foraging wild plants. First, I found a plant called lanceleaf coreopsis, Coreopsis lanceolata. It's an invasive species, and it was blooming bright orange, which made it easy to identify. After checking online and confirming no poisonous lookalikes, I took some. Since it's considered harmful in my country, I pulled it out completely and threw it into the river. Its flowers are edible and actually taste great in salads. Later, I found another plant called ribwort plantain, Plantago lanceolata. It can be eaten raw, but it's often used for herbal tea. I picked a few leaves, and after returning home, I made tea by washing them, boiling in water over a fire, then straining. The result? A greenish tea that tastes a bit like vegetable-flavored green tea. This kind of tea gives micronutrients, supports health, and in tough survival times, it can also be a nice mental break. So, whether it's making tools, staying safe, or finding food and drinks in the wild, every little skill helps. If you want to see how to turn everyday items into survival gear, stick around. There's a lot more to learn, and I'll keep sharing my experiments here.